Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel where we talk about the most amazing and ridiculous vehicles ever invented. Today, we have a special treat for you, the Rinspeed Splash Amphibious Hydrofoil sports car. Yes, you heard that right. This car can drive on land, float on water, and fly in the air. How cool is that? The Rinspeed Splash was unveiled in 2004 at the Geneva Motor Show, and it blew everyone's mind. It looks like a sleek sports car, but it has a secret weapon. A hydraulic mechanism that transforms it into an amphibious vehicle and a hydrofoil system that enables it to fly above the water. It's like a transformer, but without the annoying robots. The Splash can reach 200 km/h on land and 80 km/h on water. That's faster than most boats and some planes. Imagine the possibilities. You can drive to the beach, hop into the water, and zoom away from the crowds. You can escape traffic jams by flying over bridges and rivers. You can impress your date by taking them on a romantic flight over the lake. You can also get arrested by the Coast Guard, the Air Force, and the Environmental Protection Agency. The Splash is powered by a natural gas engine, which is very eco-friendly and cheap to run. Natural gas is a clean-burning fuel that has near-zero sulfur content. It also has near-zero availability. So good luck finding a gas station that sells it. You might have to resort to stealing gas from your neighbor's barbecue grill or your local hot air balloon. The Splash is made of carbon fiber composite, which is a state-of-the-art plastic that offers exceptional stability and low weight. It also offers exceptional price. The Splash costs about $1.5 million. That's more than a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, and a yacht combined. But hey, you get what you pay for, a car that can do everything except park itself. The Splash is one of the most innovative and insane vehicles ever created. It's a dream come true for anyone who loves adventure and freedom. It's also a nightmare come true for anyone who hates heights, water, or speed. The Splash is not for everyone, but it's definitely for someone who has a lot of money and a lot of guts. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the channel. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And if you have any suggestions for what vehicle I should talk about next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.